Hi everybody. So this is a quick little segment for those of you that might be new to Kundalini Yoga. Sometimes we go to classes and the teacher will say, okay everybody, let's do this with breath of fire, sometimes called Kapalabhati. So you might not know what that is. So I just want to go over this really briefly. So breath of fire is kind of a nice energetic breath. It feels like it's good for kind of cleansing the body. It's good for boosting up the immune system, strengthening the nervous system. So the easiest way I know to learn breath of fire is if you just bring your hand onto your belly. So breath of fire, you inhale and exhale through the nose, kind of like a pant breath. So if you first start by panting, you're going to notice how that movement goes in the belly. You notice how your belly expands on the inhale and it draws in towards your spine on the exhale. Now we're going to try to do that same kind of breath, but in and out through the nose. Inhale, belly expands, exhale, contracts in towards the spine. When you're first beginning, you may want to just focus on the exhale. Inhale. And let's exhale and release. So breath of fire may feel a little strange at first. Just, try it for maybe 20 seconds or so at a time. And once you get used to it, it's like riding a bike. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.